Hi guys, I'm Suprabha. In this video, we'll see the example Arc-String Gate in the year 16 for PI and CE, Production and Industrial Engineering and Civil Engineering. The first two examples are asked for PI and next two are for CE. So the first example, eigenvalues of the matrix 0, 1, minus 1, 0 are. We are supposed to find out the eigenvalues of the given matrix. Now we know that trace, let us consider this as A matrix. Trace of A is equal to sum of eigenvalues. Now trace is nothing but the sum of diagonal elements. Diagonal elements are 0 and 0. So sum of diagonal elements is 0. Now the sum of eigenvalues should be such that it should be equal to 0. Now look at the options. The first, I minus I. If we add these, the result is equal to 0. So this is valid option. Second, 1 minus 1. Again this is valid. The rest two options are invalid. Now out of A and B, we'll see which one is correct. We know that determinant of A is equal to product of eigenvalues. Now determinant of A is 0 into 0, 0 minus. So determinant value is 1. Now product of eigenvalues should be such that it should be equal to 1. If we consider the first option, I into minus I, it is equal to minus I square. Minus I square is nothing but it is equal to 1. But if we consider the second, it is 1 into minus 1, answer is minus 1. But it should be equal to 1. So the A is the valid option. So the two properties to be remembered are trace of A is equal to sum of eigenvalues, determinant of A is equal to product of eigenvalues. Second example, number of solutions of the simultaneous algebraic equation y is equal to 3x plus 3 and y is equal to 3x plus 5 is. Now we are supposed to find out the solution, whether it is 0, 1, 2 and infinite. So first equation, let us write in this form, 3, minus 3, 1 is equal to 3 and 5. X, y is equal to 3 and 5. Now if we consider, okay, let us write in the augmented form. If we apply the elementary operations, here we will get 0, 0. So the rank of this matrix, okay, I'll show it. R2 minus R1 will get 0, 0 and this is the resulting matrix. So the rank of coefficient matrix is equal to 1 as there is only one linearly independent row. But the rank of the augmented matrix is 2 because this row, the last element of this row is not equal to 0. So the rank of coefficient matrix is equal to 1, the rank of augmented is equal to 2. For the system to be consistent or for the system to have solution, both the rank should be equal, but they are not equal. So there is 0 solution. The other way is, I'll rewrite the equations. Here we can write as 3x minus y is equal to minus 3. The second equation, y is equal to 3x plus 5. So 3x minus y is equal to minus 5. As LHS are equal, minus 3 is equal to minus 5. But these two values are not equal. So again we can say that no solution is possible. So the answer is 0, that is A. There are two ways to solve the equation. Third question, if the entries in each column of square matrix M add up to 1, then the eigenvalue of M is. Options are 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now let us consider a matrix M. The condition is that addition of those elements should be equal to 1 in that column. Let us consider any 2 by 2 matrix. I'll take this matrix. So addition of first column 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1. Now we know the formula for eigenvalue. It is A minus lambda I, determinant of that is equal to 0. So here we can write solving further. So if we apply the elementary operation R2, R1, R2 minus R1 plus R2, we get is equal to 0. Now we know that one of the property in determinant states that if all the elements of particular row are same, we can take it outside as common. Sorry, as we have taken it common. Okay. Now solving this characteristic equation is nothing but finding out the roots of that equation, and that is nothing but the eigenvalues. Now here if we write 1 minus lambda is equal to 0, this is one of the root of that equation, or we can say one of the eigenvalue. So it is nothing but lambda equal to 1. So one of the eigenvalues is 1. So the option D is correct. For the example's sake, we have taken any 2 by 2 matrix. You can take any order matrix, just take care that the addition of that column should be equal to 1. So root of any order matrix will be, one of the root will be equal to 1. So they have asked any one eigenvalue that is equal to 1. So the last example, consider the following linear system. Equations are as follows. Now this system is consistent. Whatever linear system consists of this equation, it is consistent if A, B, C satisfies the equation. They have given 4 equations. For the system to be consistent, we have to find the values of A, B and C. Now here we'll write in the form of augmented 1, 2, minus 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 9, minus 6 and A, B and C. Now here I'll apply 2 elementary operations. We'll make these 2 elements equal to 0. For this element equal to 0, we can apply R2 minus 2R1, and for row 3 minus 5R1 to make these 2 elements equal to 0. So the resulting matrix is 0, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 3, it is 9. And the row 3, 5 minus 5, 0, 9, minus 10, minus 1, minus 6, plus 15, and C minus 5A. So we'll see whether more elementary operations can be applied. Yes, R3, that R3 minus R2. So the resulting matrix is 1, 2, minus 3, 0, minus 1, 9. Minus 1, minus of minus 1 is 0, 9 minus 9, 0. A, R3. So just see R3 is this minus R2. So we can write C minus B plus minus 3A. Okay. Now no more elementary operations can be applied. So the rank of coefficient matrix is 2 and the rank of augmented matrix is 3. But in the question it is specified that system is consistent. System is consistent means what? It has solution. For solution, this and this rank should be equal. That is, rank of coefficient matrix and rank of augmented matrix should be equal. So to make this ranks to be equal, augmented matrix should consist of rank equal to 2. To make it equal to 2, this last element should be equal to 0. So to make it equal to 0, its value should be 3a plus b minus c is equal to 0. So just check out the option B. So option B is the correct one. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you understood the concept. For handwritten notes, just check out the link in the video description. For any doubts and suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. These are few videos that you can refer. Guys, help us to help you, so please like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.